everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Chef Christy, and I hope that you are having a wonderful day today. It is a beautiful, sunny, and mild day here where I live, so I thought it would be fun to share with you some recipes that you can do using, are you all ready? This cast iron pie maker. These are so much fun when you go camping or if you have a campfire, and I have 4 delicious recipes using this cast iron pie maker, so let me show you. And don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up and hit that little notification bell so you'll know as soon as I upload a new video. Okay, so I just want to say I'm a little bit proud of the fact that I just made this fire all by myself. I'm just saying. So the first recipe is for a Philly cheese steak pudgy pie. Let me show you what you will need. I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil to my cast iron skillet. Then I'm just going to add some sliced onions and peppers. And then I'm simply going to use some steakums. You can find this in your freezer section. It's 100% beef. It's just thinly sliced so that it will fry up super fast. Using some crescent rolls. All right, so I have laid out my crescent rolls, and then I'm going to cut this because I want to get 6 squares. And then I'm going to lay them onto my aluminum foil that I have sprayed with nonstick spray. All right, then I'm just going to kind of press these out and making sure that the seams are together. And I'm just going to put some of this pepper and onion mixture on one side. Then I'm just going to place a slice of provolone cheese on top of each steak. And next I'm going to fold this over and kind of just take my fingers and press it together. Just simply place each pie down inside the pie iron. recipe that I want to share with you is for a pizza pudgy pie, or you could call it a pizza pocket. Kids love them. Let me show you how to make it.
So I'm going to add some pizza sauce to each crescent roll. And then I'm going to place some pepperoni on top of the pizza sauce. And I'm going to add some banana peppers. And then I'm going to add a slice of provolone cheese.
So now we are going to get a little sweet. So the next recipe that I'm going to share with you is for a, get ready for it, caramel apple pudgy pie.
So I'm using the jumbo buttermilk biscuits. And the caramel apple pie filling.
And finally, I'm going to keep it sweet. We're going to make a delicious cherry cheesecake pudgy pie. Yeah, you heard me. I said cherry cheesecake pudgy pie. Let me show you how to make it. So to 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, and I'm just going to mix this together.
And I'm using cherry pie filling.
All right, I'm just going to place just a little bit of this cream cheese mixture onto each biscuit. And then I'm just going to place a little bit of cherries on top. All right, I'm going to try this cherry cheesecake pudgy pie. Oh my goodness. That is absolutely delicious. I really hope that you enjoyed campfire cooking with me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with more recipes.